Hello, first graders, and welcome back to another day of first grade. Take a deep breath. You are on day 3 of first grade. Give yourself a pat on the back. Today's writing job is going to be an all about me slide. Who knows the most about you? It's probably you. So you're the expert today, boys and girls. So when you get to your virtual classroom that looks like this, you are going to click on the All About Me slide. This is your job today. And it's going to take you to your job for today. Each of you have your very own slide where you're going to tell me 3 different things about you. So first, I have to find my name. Am I Jana? Is that my name? No. So I'm not going to work on this slide. Am I Mason? That's definitely not my name. So find your slide. How about Miss Rossman? So once you find your name, then you can put a picture of yourself or you and your family under your name. And then you're going to tell me 3 fun facts about yourself. The first one is my favorite color is. I see all of the color choices. My favorite color, boys and girls, is purple. So I'm going to grab the purple cloud and I'm going to drag it all the way over there. So now it's in the white cloud. Let's go to the next question. My favorite school subject is. What is your favorite thing to do in school? Is it reading, math, science, writing? My personal favorite, boys and girls, is reading. So I'm going to drag the picture of the little boy reading into the cloud. Can you have more than one? I think so, because I also love doing math. So I'm going to drag 2 pictures because they are my absolute favorite. And our last question is, I like to. Do you like to sing or play an instrument? Do you maybe like to dress up or be in plays? Do you like to read or play football or soccer? Do you like to swim? Maybe you like to play video games or games on your computer. Do you like to play basketball? Do you like to ride your bike? What do you like to do after school? For me, first graders, I love to swim. So I'm going to drag the picture of the swimmer over into the cloud. And that's it. I've completed my All About Me slide. I can't wait to learn more about you, boys and girls. Have a great day.